Welcome to Human Resources 101, where we delve into the various functions of human resources. In this video, let's take a deep dive into recruitment and staffing, two of the most critical functions in human resources. Whether you're building a startup team or expanding a global workforce, your success depends on having the right people in the right roles. In this explainer video, we'll cover the following topics: what recruitment and staffing mean, the difference between the two, the full recruitment process, common staffing strategies, best practices and common pitfalls, and the role of technology in modern recruitment. Let's get started. Let's begin with recruitment. Recruitment is the process of attracting, identifying, and engaging potential candidates for employment. It's like marketing, but instead of selling a product, you're selling a job opportunity. Recruitment can be internal, hiring from within the company, or external, seeking candidates from outside. So, what about staffing? Staffing is broader. It includes planning, recruiting, selecting, hiring, and retaining employees to meet the organization's long-term goals. Recruitment is a part of staffing, but staffing also considers things like workforce planning, employee deployment, succession planning, and temporary versus permanent hires. Think of recruitment as step one and staffing as the full journey. Now let's walk through the recruitment process step by step. Step 1. Workforce planning. Before any job post goes live, HR collaborates with managers to understand staffing needs. What roles are open? What skills are required? Is this role essential now or in the future? Step 2. Job analysis and job description. This involves breaking down the role into key responsibilities, qualifications, and working conditions. The result? A clear job description and person specification, the foundation of all recruitment materials. Step 3. Sourcing candidates. Now it's time to get the word out. HR sources candidates through job portals, Indeed, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, company career pages, recruitment agencies, employee referrals, campus hiring or job fairs. Step 4. Screening and shortlisting. Here's where we filter applications. HR uses tools or software to identify the most promising candidates based on resumes, skills tests, or initial phone screenings. Step 5. Interviewing. Candidates meet hiring managers through one or more interviews, behavioral, technical, or panel-based. Structured interviews using scoring rubrics help ensure fairness and consistency. Step 6. Selection and offer. Once the right candidate is identified, HR conducts reference checks, final evaluations, and extends a formal offer with compensation and benefits. Step 7. Onboarding. Recruitment doesn't end at hiring. Onboarding helps new hires adjust to their role, team, and company culture. This reduces early turnover and boosts engagement. Let's now talk about staffing strategies. Different situations call for different staffing approaches. 1. Permanent staffing. Used for long-term roles. Employees become full-time members with benefits, performance reviews, and growth plans. 2. Temporary staffing. Ideal for seasonal peaks or short-term projects. These employees are often sourced via agencies. 3. Contractual staffing. Contract workers are hired for specific periods or deliverables, often used in IT, consulting, or creative industries. 4. Internships and apprenticeships. These programs bring in fresh talent with the potential to grow into full-time roles. 5. Outsourcing. Instead of hiring in-house, companies may outsource entire functions like customer service or payroll to third-party providers. To make recruitment and staffing effective, follow these best practices. Build a strong employer brand. People want to work for companies with purpose, values, and a great culture. Write clear and inclusive job descriptions. Avoid jargon or bias. Use structured interviews. Fairness and consistency matter. Prioritize candidate experience. From application to offer, every interaction shapes your reputation. Leverage data and analytics. Track metrics like time to hire, cost per hire, and source of hire to improve your process. Focus on diversity and inclusion. A diverse workforce brings richer perspectives and innovation. Recruitment and staffing aren't foolproof. Here are some common pitfalls to watch out for. Hiring in a rush. Filling a seat quickly can lead to poor fit and higher turnover. Ignoring internal talent. Sometimes the best candidate is already on your team. Lack of communication. Ghosting candidates or unclear processes damage your employer brand. Unconscious bias. This can affect hiring decisions and harm diversity. Failure to onboard effectively. A poor onboarding process can lead to disengagement and early exits. Modern recruitment is powered by technology. Here are some of examples. Applicant tracking systems, ATS. Organize applications and streamline communication. AI tools. Automate resume screening and even suggest top candidates. Recruitment marketing software. Helps promote openings with targeted ads and social media campaigns. Video interview platforms. Useful for remote or global hiring. HR analytics tools. Provide insights into hiring patterns and outcomes. These tools save time, reduce bias, and enhance decision-making. In today's world, recruitment and staffing aren't just HR tasks, they're strategic business functions. The people you hire directly influence your company's growth, culture, and competitive edge. Get it right and you build high-performing teams. Get it wrong and you face turnover, disengagement, and stagnation. That's why it's important to treat recruitment and staffing as a continuous, evolving process, guided by data, empathy, and strategy. Thanks for watching. We hope this explainer has given you a clear understanding of recruitment and staffing and why it's so vital to business success. Want to learn more about human resources? Subscribe to Business Explainer 101, where we explain business in simple ways.